Hey everybody, yesterday I had a bus at 8 p.m. from Minsk to Brest, another Belarusian city, but I decided not to take this bus because it would be very difficult for me to leave the city at 8 p.m. because I was still discovering the city, walking around. So the best decision I did yesterday was just to sleep at my hostel here in Minsk, Brest hostel. And yesterday I booked a train. I booked online a train from Minsk to Brest. This train will arrive here in 30 minutes. No, in 15 minutes more or less. At 8 at 6:52 a.m. this train will depart. This is a train coming all the way from Moscow, Russia, and probably it stops. Its let's stop is Brest. I'm not sure, but yeah, it is cheap. It was cheap. I paid about 26 Belarusian rubles, and this will be my first time taking an European train in this trip. I mean, a long distance train in this month so far. I just took trains from the airport to downtown or downtown to airports, but long distances train, it'll be my first time. And it's really nice, this train station, because it has all the information. It's very informative, and it's great. It's great because in Brazil we almost don't have long distance trains for traveling. Brazil was a country with a lot of railways, but the government stopped funding it. The government stopped keep maintaining it, and nowadays we just have roads. Basically all the money from our taxes and private companies, they send this money to build new roads and etc. The car industry in Brazil is very big, it's very strong. We have the majority of the main car companies like Chevrolet, Volkswagen, Fiat, the Italian one, Toyota, a lot of other companies. Ford just left Brazil, but they are all in Brazil, so they have a very strong lobby. The bus companies like Scania, the truck companies as well, they are very strong in Brazil. So this is one of the reasons why Brazil is not developed, has not developed its railway system. This new government is trying to reestablish our railway lines, especially for the shipment ones, cargo ones. But passenger trains is like not common. I hope, who knows, one day it will become a dream to go from Sao Paulo to Rio by train. Nowadays it's only possible by bus. I think at every hour or at every 30 minutes, we have a bus between Rio and Sao Paulo, or by airplane. And that's it. I will show you guys here this train station. It's a very big one. There are some old Belarusian train there. Looks like a local train as well. This is like old. And we had a very modern one here, but it just left it. I think it was going to Moscow. And something that I like here, they have a very big screen showing all the schedule of the trains, which are nice. Here, this is very cool. So yeah, my train is in the third line, Moscow to Brest, track number 3, platform number 2. So let's go find this track number 3. They have Uber here and they have another app, but both apps aren't working for me here. I don't know why. So I asked the receptionist of my hostel to call me an Uber, and like in 5 minutes the Uber was there, and I paid about 3 rubles and 50 cents, so it was cheap. It was really cheap. And there he comes. Very nice. Wow, it's a very big train. So guys, you can see the train I am traveling with. At least this is my car, and this is like a sleeping car. Looks like actually something similar, like people are sleeping here. It's interesting. That will be a nice experience here. Yeah, for that reason I'm enjoying Belarus a lot, because it's a very different country. Everything is different for me, and it's nice. It's very So guys, just arrived here in Brest. It was 3 hours and a half of trip. It was a nice experience. I was in the upper side of the train, like in the bed, so it was cool. And this is very old train, yeah? Yeah.
Крепость, it's a fortress, yeah. Brest
Fortress, yes. Yeah, that's where I wanna go because it's nice. It's very big.
Places, Fortress and Советская Street.
Yes. Do you like it there?
My IT company relocated 1,600 people are currently relocated in Poland.
In Poland? Ooh. Wow, that's cool. The company you work for is Polish?
Yes.
Yes? And can you speak Polish as well?
Not a tag.
Just a little.
No, not good. No, Polish, because when I was little, on TV showing 6 TV channels, and 3 was on Polish language.
That's cool. That's nice. Yeah, that's amazing. There was a very Belarusian guy in my train, and he was talking to me. My hotel is very close to Brest train station, about 5 minutes walking, so it will be very easy to arrive there. According to the forecast, it will rain today. You guys can see it's very gray, very cloudy. I hope it will not rain, and if it rains, I hope it will rain for a short time, because I really wanna walk around and explore the city, and especially I will go to the Brest Fortress. I feel myself so happy here. You know, Eastern Europe, like Poland, I will be there tonight, but here Belarus and all the other countries in this region, they look like much more authentic than Western Europe. People here, they're humble, they're very nice. I mean, Western Europe is very cool, like Spain, England, it's very nice. But here, life is simpler, and I feel myself better in simpler countries. Life is more natural, maybe I'd say. I don't know if you guys can understand me. My hotel, I think it's right there, that big one. Green. So that's the bus station. Right there we have the train station. Really cool. I think this is my hotel. I need to check the front of it. I hope they will charge me only one day, because I will not sleep here. I will stay only 6 hours. I have no formal booking with them. I just wrote them in WhatsApp. I think, yeah, that's my hotel. That's it. Hotel book. Let's check it out.